Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing statutory heirs in Thailand. We're discussing this in the context of what, in the common law parlance, we would call probate, which is the sort of execution of estate matters in Thailand. But in the Thai system or the civil law system, specifically the Thai civil law system, we call this succession. But to quote directly from the Thai Civil and Commercial Code, this is specifically from section 1603 of the Thai Civil and Commercial Code, quoting directly, an estate devolves on the heirs by statutory right or by will. Heirs who are so entitled by law are called statutory heirs. So there may be law pertaining to a given heir that if there is absence, especially an absence of a will, the property may go to that heir. And that heir is specifically called a statutory heir, as opposed to someone who gains heirship by rights under a will, which that person is called a legatee. And I'll get into that in a video made contemporaneously with this one. But long story short, and this mostly operates, and let me be clear, I am not a Thai attorney. I'm not licensed Thai attorney here in Thailand. We have Thai attorneys here on staff. They have vetted this video. I'm providing this video for explanatory purposes. It's simply to provide just basic information, extremely basic information. You should not be using this to make decisions regarding or pertaining to actual succession or estate planning. This is just for basic information. But long story short, yeah, in absence of a will, you're going to have these statutory heirs. And they could be very different from what folks in their home country, especially coming from the context of foreigners, Americans, UK, common law jurisdiction, even Europe, what you would expect in a situation with intestate succession in those jurisdictions, it may be very different here in Thailand. So again, this may be a reason why you may want a will, although some folks may consult a lawyer, find out what the statutory heirs are going to be, and they just say, no, I'm okay with that, and they just let it go from there.